Welcome to our channel, 24/7 Technical Support, your 24/7 tech solutions partner. Are you looking for a server management support plan? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to subscribe to our server management plans. Introducing our 24/7 Technical Support, your tech support partner. Now, let's start with our first step. Type 24x7technicalsupport.net on your web browser. These are the services provided by 24/7 Technical Support. Starting with server management, cloud management, web hosting support, and VPS management. Step 2. To know more about server management, on view details. Here is the server management plan. Starting from $25 per server. That includes firewall installation, unlimited ticket support, and much more. Let's scroll down and there will be different management plans as per your convenience, starting from $25 per server. Let's click on Order Now. After that, a new window will open. Fill in all the required details and click on Continue. Review your services and click on Checkout. Fill out your personal information, billing address, additional information for the billing process. Select payment method. And click on Complete Order for order confirmation. And voila, you are done. Thank you for watching.